Welcome to ProHealth Insights. If you're passionate about health and wellness and enjoy learning about the latest nutrition trends, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling a big question in the nutrition world. Do high-protein diets cause kidney damage? Before we begin, please note that this video is based on scientific facts and research. While we aim to provide accurate and up-to-date information, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice regarding your diet and kidney health. Now, let's dive in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. By joining our community, you'll stay informed about the best ways to take care of your health. High-protein diets have gained immense popularity, especially among those looking to build muscle or lose weight. They're commonly adopted by athletes, bodybuilders, and fitness enthusiasts who aim to boost their protein intake for better results. But, with all the hype, there's also a concern. Is all this protein potentially harmful to your kidneys? In this video, we'll explore the science behind this question. We'll examine what research says about high-protein diets, discuss the function of your kidneys, debunk some myths, and provide tips on how to safely follow a high-protein diet. Stick around to find out if you should be worried about how your favorite high-protein meals impact your health. Section 1. Understanding protein and kidney function. To understand how protein intake affects the kidneys, let's first discuss what protein does for our bodies and the role of the kidneys. Proteins are essential macronutrients that support numerous bodily functions. They help build and repair tissues, produce enzymes and hormones, and play a role in immune system function. Proteins are made up of amino acids, which are the building blocks that our body uses to create other proteins needed for various physiological processes. When you consume protein, your body breaks it down into amino acids, which are then either used for muscle and tissue repair or stored for future use. However, the body doesn't have a long-term storage system for amino acids, so excess protein is broken down, processed by the liver, and converted into waste products like urea. This is where the kidneys come into play. The kidneys filter these waste products, along with excess water and other toxins from the blood. They help regulate fluid balance, electrolytes, and blood pressure. Because the kidneys are involved in filtering waste from protein metabolism, some people worry that consuming too much protein might overwork the kidneys and potentially cause damage. 2. The evidence behind high-protein diets and kidney health. The idea that high-protein diets can harm the kidneys originated from the fact that protein metabolism does increase the workload on the kidneys. This idea is partly based on studies involving individuals with pre-existing kidney disease, for whom high-protein intake can indeed be harmful. However, when it comes to healthy individuals, the evidence doesn't support this concern. Multiple studies have explored the effects of high-protein diets on kidney function in healthy people. For example, a study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that consuming a high-protein diet, over 3 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day, had no adverse effects on kidney function in healthy men over a year-long period. Another study conducted by researchers at McMaster University observed that even diets with protein intake above the recommended daily allowance did not harm the kidneys in people without existing kidney disease. The kidneys have an impressive ability to adapt to increased workloads, so in healthy individuals, they can handle higher levels of protein without significant strain or risk of long-term damage. 3. How much protein is safe? While it's reassuring that high-protein diets are generally safe for those with healthy kidneys, the question remains: how much protein is considered safe? The recommended dietary allowance, RDA, for protein is around 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight for the average adult. For those who are active or aiming to build muscle, protein needs may increase to about 1.2 to 2 grams per kilogram of body weight. However, studies show that even intakes beyond this range, up to 3 grams per kilogram per day, do not pose risks for healthy individuals. That said, it's crucial to personalize protein intake. People have different activity levels, body types, and health conditions. If you're considering a high-protein diet, especially one significantly above the RDA, consulting with a healthcare professional or dietitian is advisable. Common myths and misconceptions. Now, let's debunk some common myths and misconceptions about protein and kidney health. 1. Myth: high-protein diets cause kidney disease. This is a prevalent concern, but current research suggests that this isn't the case for individuals without pre-existing kidney conditions. As mentioned earlier, healthy kidneys can handle increased protein intake without leading to disease or damage. 2. Myth: high-protein diets increase the risk of kidney stones. Another concern is that high-protein diets may lead to kidney stones. While protein metabolism can increase the excretion of certain compounds like calcium and oxalate, which contribute to kidney stones, hydration and protein source play a significant role. Staying hydrated and balancing your protein sources can mitigate this risk. Third myth: all protein is the same. Not all proteins are created equal. The type of protein matters too. Animal proteins like red meat tend to be more acid-forming, which can increase the acid load on the kidneys. In contrast, plant-based proteins like legumes and nuts are less taxing on the kidneys and come with additional nutrients like fiber and antioxidants, which promote overall health. Fourth myth: you need to avoid protein if you have kidney disease. While it's true that individuals with kidney disease need to monitor their protein intake, it doesn't mean they need to avoid it entirely. In these cases, a healthcare provider may recommend a lower protein intake. Working with a dietitian can help people with kidney issues balance their needs without eliminating protein altogether. Tips for safely increasing protein intake. If you're interested in increasing your protein intake, here are some tips to do so safely while supporting your kidney health. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps the kidneys filter waste products more efficiently. Aim to drink water consistently throughout the day, especially if you're increasing your protein intake. Choose quality protein sources. Incorporate a mix of animal and plant-based proteins into your diet. While lean meats, fish, and poultry are excellent sources, don't overlook beans, lentils, quinoa, and tofu. A diverse protein intake ensures you're getting a range of nutrients. Balance your diet. Protein is essential, but a balanced diet with carbohydrates, healthy fats, and fiber supports overall health. Adding vegetables, whole grains, and fruits helps mitigate any acid load from protein metabolism, which is beneficial for kidney health. Monitor your intake. While protein is beneficial, moderation is key. Most people can safely consume up to 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight, but you should tailor this to your individual needs and goals. 6. Final thoughts on high-protein diets and kidney health. In summary, high-protein diets do not appear to harm the kidneys of healthy individuals. Our kidneys are resilient and equipped to handle increased protein consumption as long as we stay hydrated and maintain a balanced diet. However, if you have pre-existing kidney conditions or other health concerns, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet. Thank you for watching ProHealth Insights. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural wellness tips. Stay healthy, and see you in the next video.